Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove a benefit from Gusto. Now maybe you're phasing out a benefit that no longer serves your team or switching to a new provider. Either way, removing a benefit in Gusto is simple and ensure payroll stays clean and compliant. Step 1. Log into your Gusto account. Now start by logging into your Gusto admin dashboard. From the main menu, you're going to go to the benefits section and click on team benefits. Step 2. Select the benefits to remove. Now you're going to scroll down the list of current benefits. You have medical, dental, vision, whatever it is, and just click the one that you want to remove. Now you're going to land on that benefits summary page. Step 3, click end coverage. Now on the benefits summary page, you want to look for end coverage or edit plan. Click on that button, and then you're going to choose terminate plan, or a similar option depending on the type of benefits. Step 4, enter termination details. Now you're going to enter the termination date for the benefits, and make sure this date lines up with your last payroll deduction for that benefits, so that employees aren't overcharged or undercovered. Now a pro tip is it's best to end coverage at the end of a payroll cycle or at month end for a clean transition. Step 5, confirm and notify employees. Now after submitting, Gusto will ask you to confirm the plan removal. Now once confirmed, the system automatically updates payroll deductions and stops any further contributions. Employees will be notified about the change, so they're not caught off guard. Step 6, review your payroll settings. Now just head to the payroll and to upcoming pay periods, that section, to ensure deductions related to the removed benefits are all long gone. If you see lingering deductions, you want to update the affected employees compensation settings. You can do that manually under people, employee name, and compensation. That's all there is to it. Removing a benefit in Gusto is just a few clicks, and the system takes care of the heavy lifting. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.